The most important thing about leads is tracking.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Goblock Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Leads. Leads are people traditionally that are interested in something that has to do with your industry. They can be highly qualified leads that are already ready to buy, or they can be people that just bought a house that don't yet need a greystone. When you're gathering leads, the quality of leads obviously matters. The way you market and capture them will help you figure out the budget you should be using based on the amount of cash flow that you have. So say we're converting $20 per person into a $100 customer. You can do the math on that and find out, okay, these leads are good, these leads are not as good. The leads here are better than the leads on this platform. This ad's leads are doing better than these leads from this ad. The most important thing about leads is tracking, and any CRM will do it for you. I like to use good old-fashioned Excel spreadsheets a lot of times. I also use Trello. I also use Airtable a lot. You could do it in things like MailChimp, I'm pretty sure. Salesforce, obviously, HubSpot, all of them do it. But the most important thing is tracking your leads, in my opinion, so that you know what to do next or what worked and what didn't, and help you, since cash flow is so hard for smaller and medium-sized companies, the management that's so important. You want to be able to forecast as much as you can about what's going to happen next month, next quarter, next year, so you know who to hire, where, what to train for, or what to develop next.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and manage $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax, since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?